So day 2, but technically day 3, because I was getting the bumper off the other day, just doing a couple of little things when I was here. So now we're going to get into taking the knuckle off. Okay, so there's a few things in here to do. I'm going to have to remove the nut and bolts here to the strut, take off the steering arm, remove the ball joint on the bottom as well. I'll leave it connected to the knuckle to start off with, but I'm going to take that off there. So I've already gotten the pins loose. Got to take the caliper off, but first of all I'm going to remove the pads and then get to the 17mm bolts, because this is in the way at the moment to get access to that 17mm. So I'll be removing that one first so I can get access to that. Take the whole caliper off and its mount and just hang that with a jockey strap or a bit of rope. What else is there? That's pretty much it. So I'll get all that off. So once the caliper's out of the way, the rotor will come off because it just slides off. I'll get all that out and have a look at it once it's off. So caliper's off and rotor just slides off with the caliper removed. And if you're wondering why I hang that, it's that there's no stress on this line. I just don't want to leave it dangling. And it doesn't matter if the piston comes out a little bit there, I can press that back in. And it also gives me the opportunity to clean all this up so that all moves nice and smoothly as well. It's not too bad, but clean all up. Anyway, I want to put it all back together. Alright, well, some things I can't do, so I need to press this out, and I need to also stop this part turning so I can undo that nut, and I'm not able to do that. I don't have the big tools for that, so I'll be dropping this off to get done. But you can hear that the bearing is buggered. And you can also see the grease on the other side, it's contaminated, it's all milky. So definitely the bearing on this side needs to be changed, so it should be getting dropped off soon and getting the bearing changed. Check this out, that's badass. One go at that and this came straight up. That's their press there.
It's all good, so the wire doesn't get you. I'm assuming the one that's shredded is going to be pumped together.
Well, that's it for now. The bearing didn't want to come out today, so I left it with them. They're going to have to try and press it out. It's just obviously been in there for many years and being really stubborn. So next time I come here, that will be in and we'll be doing the other side.